Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. I have told in previous lecture, now I am starting a new series of lecture about the uses of minerals, or we can say the importance of minerals in the economy of any country, or the daily uses of sulfur. So viewers, sulfur has many industrial uses. It is used in manufacture of black powder, matches and explosive. It is used in creating of natural rubber, or also used in dyes, and the sulfur also used as an insecticide and fungicide. The modern uses of sulfur has expanded to include the vulcanization, or we can say hardening of natural rubber, water treatment system, textiles and paper production. Some sulfur used in manufacture of steel, aluminium, but over 90% of the sulfur mined by modern society is used to produce sulfuric acid. So mostly the sulfur is used, or we can say 90% of the mined sulfur used in the production of sulfuric acid. And the other important uses of the minerals are in textiles, paper production, creating of rubber, or we can say in dyes, and also used as an insecticide and fungicide. So these are the uses of sulfur, and now I am describing the presence of sulfur all around the world. So 76% of sulfur ore are concentrated in the Iraq, or we can say 76% of sulfur deposits or ores are concentrated in Iraq, which is 335 million tons. And the United States of America has 150 million tons of extractive, or we can say the extractive reserves of sulfur. The Chile has 100 million tons of sulfur reserves. Mexico has 80 million tons, and the large deposits of sulfur ores are known exist in the Poland. So there are also the large deposits of sulfur ores are known which are exist in Poland. So viewers, these are the important figures about the sulfur. I hope you will enjoy these valuable information about the sulfur. Let's wait for my next video for more information. Thank you.